Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you the most important macOS Tahoe settings that you should change right after the installation. So these changes improve the speed, the privacy, battery life, and your daily performance. So first of all, you need to open the system settings, then go to general. After that, you need to turn off any unnecessary startup apps so that your Mac boosts faster. Then you need to simply open the privacy and the security and disable tracking, add personalization and unnecessary location access for the apps that you don't use often. Now you can go to the display and reduce the animations and the motion effects to make your Mac feel faster and smoother. After that, you can open battery settings and turn on the low power mode for better battery life, especially on MacBooks. Then you can go to the notifications and limit the alerts for the non-important apps to stay focused. You can also open the Finder settings and enable the path bar and status bar for better file control. After that, you can check the keyboard and increase the key repeat speed and also enable tap to click on the trackpad. Finally, open iCloud settings and disable the syncing of the apps that you don't really need to save storage and data. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.